Nandito po tayo lahat ngayon at magkakaya. Pusong pasalamat at buong suporta para sa isang tunay na lingkod ng buong pusong naglingkod sa ating bansa, nag-iisang nagmahal at nagmalasakit ng unay sa kanyang bayan. Dating Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, Tatay
Digong!
Message to our former President Rodrigo Duterte. Mahal namin Pangulong Tatay Digong, ang nagmamahal sa Pilipino. Maraming salamat po sa inyong matibay na pamumuno, walang pagod, na paglilingkod at walang takot na pagtatasol sa kapakanan ng sambayan ng Pilipino. Hindi matatawaran ang inyong mga naging sakripisyo para sa mahal mong bayan. At kapit namin lahat ng inyong ginawa ay may layunin sa panasilan ng masaya, kasalukuyan ng kapayapaan at tunay na pagbabago ng ating bansa. Sa kabila ng inyong pinagdaraanan ng nais lang po natin hindi kayo po. Lalo ng ating bansa ay sinisigaw ng po at mga drug lord ay nagdarasal para sa inyong lahat sa kasalukuyan. Alam namin ang pagiging isang tunay na leader ay hindi matutunan at kasama sa pagiging matatagandang naghanap sa pagsubok na pagharap sa pagsubok at hamon. Maging ano man ang kahihinatunan ng pangyayari, maasahan ko po, Tatay, na kaming lahat ng mga OFW at nagdarasal, handang ipaglaban ang katotohanan at katarungan. Hindi kalilimutan ng sambayan ng Pilipino ang inyong dedikasyon at pagmamahal sa bayan. Maraming salamat po sa kaibigan. Mahal po namin kayo at mabuhay ka! At mensahe ko po sa mahal natin Pangulong Marcos ngayon. Mahal natin Pangulong Marcos, nakikita mo po ang buong OFW ng Cyprus at hindi naman mo sa Cyprus, buong bansa po mga OFW. Sumisigaw ang kalayaan ng aming ama. Bring him home! 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 Duterte! 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 I also have a message to the ICC, and I hope and pray this message to all families inside the Philippines and reach out to the ICC. As a Filipino citizen, we would like to express our thoughts regarding the ongoing proceedings against former President Rodrigo Duterte. While we recognize the ICC role in addressing the crimes against humanity, we believe that any investigation or case against a former state should be conducted fairly with full respect for our sovereignty of the Philippines and based on the complete and unbiased understanding of the situation. President Duterte served the Filipino people with dedication, particularly in his efforts to combat crime and illegal drugs oblong flag of our nation. His campaign was not for personal gain, especially the innocent and the poor, who are often the victim of the crime. At last, we hope the fair, impartial and just process that is not influenced by political agenda or external pressure seeking to undermine our country's leadership. We remind the ICC that the Philippines has a functional legal system capable of addressing national concerns and action taken should respect our nation's independence and the will of the Filipino people. Justice must be based on truth, not on a narrative shaped by those who wish to discredit our leaders, prioritize the safety and well-being of this people. We urge the ICC to consider the project in context to determine leadership and to ensure that any legal actions remain free from bias and external influence. From